Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's jump straight into the solution. First, right-click the Start button, select Run, type nkpa.cpl, and press Enter. In the Network Connections window, right-click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Scroll down and locate Internet Protocol version 6, TCP/IPv6. Uncheck the box next to it. Then select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following. Preferred DNS, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes and close all windows. Next, open Steam, right-click Palworld, and select Properties. Under the General tab, find the Steam Cloud option. If it's enabled, turn it off. Now launch the game and check if the problem has been resolved. If you're still seeing the same error, it's most likely because the Palworld servers are currently experiencing an outage or are temporarily unavailable. In that case, there's nothing wrong with your PC. You'll simply need to wait until the servers are back online. Once the servers are restored, you should be able to connect and play normally. That's all for this video. If this guide helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.